eyes like this?
An internet research tool?
Something that exists in Silicon Valley.
Is it a specific kind of pitch?
It has something to do with the way you look at the players and judge them.
15.
4, 3.
An assisted catch with a cart.
That's when I don't know what it means.
Where you catch it just as it hits the ground. Bird that gets hit by a ball in the air.
Hitting one that's worth 6 points?
It's hitting one that's 0 points.
I think it might be similar to a home run in baseball.
It's a sound a baby makes.
The wicketer behind the wicket, catching the balls as they get missed.
Point that somebody gets through no accomplishment of their own. Someone else has done something and they take advantage of that.
It's an animal.
No, in boxing, it's a hard hit.
Go Team Pakistan! Bring the cup home!
Good luck to Pakistan's cricket team.
Go Team Pakistan! Bring the cup home!
Pakistan Zindabad.